As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I can provide recommendations based on the popularity and relevance of programming languages up to that point. However, keep in mind that the technology landscape evolves and new languages may gain prominence. As of 2024, the following programming languages are good to learn. Python. Python's versatility, simplicity, and extensive libraries make it a valuable language for web development, data science, machine learning, and more. It's widely used in various domains, including artificial intelligence and automation. JavaScript is crucial for front-end web development, and its popularity continues to grow with the advent of frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. Additionally, JavaScript can be used for server-side development. Node.js, and mobile app development, React Native Script. Java remains a robust and widely used language in enterprise environments, particularly for building large-scale applications. It's platform independent, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from mobile to web to cloud services. GoLang has gained popularity for its simplicity, concurrency support, and efficiency. Developed by Google, Go is well suited for building scalable and reliable systems, making it increasingly popular in cloud computing, microservices, and back-end development. Rust is recognized for its focus on memory safety without sacrificing performance. It's gaining traction in systems programming, especially for applications where low-level control is essential. Rust is used in projects like operating systems, game engines, and other performance-critical applications. It's essential to stay updated on industry trends, job market demands, and emerging technologies to make informed decisions about which programming languages to learn. Keep in mind that the best language to learn depends on your specific goals, interests, and the type of projects.